Sleep deprivation in seniors is increasingly linked to fear, affecting not only mood but overall health. Chronic insomnia can lead to serious long-term problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and even dementia. But what if there was a simple, natural way to help you get your sleep back? Welcome back to Wisdom of Senior Life, where we focus on improving your quality of life with simple, effective solutions. In today's video, we explore the common problem of insomnia in seniors and introduce ginger as a powerful natural solution to help you sleep better. Join us as we discuss how drinking ginger can be your ally in achieving a good, refreshing night's sleep. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you find the content helpful, share your thoughts in the comments. Wishing you health, peace, and happiness. Let's explore ways you can improve your sleep with wine. Ginger has long been a cornerstone of traditional medicine in many cultures. The medicinal properties of ginger are deeply rooted in ancient practices, where ginger was used to treat a variety of ailments. What makes ginger especially valuable is its versatility in treating both physical and mental health issues, including those related to digestion, inflammation, and even sleep disorders. Ginger is praised for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to aid digestion, both of which play an important role in improving sleep quality, especially for older adults. For those suffering from chronic pain or arthritis, which is common in older adults, ginger helps reduce discomfort and improve blood circulation, promoting better sleep. Gingerol, an active compound in ginger, has been shown to have pain-relieving effects, helping the body relax and sleep more easily. Furthermore, ginger also promotes digestion, reducing common problems such as bloating and flatulence, which can cause insomnia. By soothing the digestive system, ginger helps to relieve discomfort that keeps people awake at night, especially after heavy meals. For many seniors, managing stress and anxiety is another challenge that affects sleep. Ginger has a natural calming effect, helping to reduce stress levels, helping them relax before going to bed. Although ginger has been widely known for its many different uses, how to make the most of these uses in improving sleep quality is important. To get the best effect of ginger, it is necessary to not only know its benefits, but also know how to use it properly in your daily routine. So, what methods can you apply to use ginger most effectively to improve your sleep? Let's find out in the next part, where I will share simple yet extremely effective ways to use ginger for deeper and better sleep. As we age, common problems such as poor circulation, aches and pains, and stress often disrupt sleep. A simple yet effective way to combat these problems is to soak your feet in warm water with ginger. This method is not only relaxing, but also increases blood circulation, reduces stress, and prepares the body for a good night's sleep. The feet have many acupuncture points that affect other parts of the body, and soaking your feet in warm ginger water helps relax muscles and relieve discomfort, which is especially beneficial for older people with conditions such as arthritis or poor circulation. So how do you get the most out of this simple method? Here are step-by-step instructions for soaking your feet in ginger water before bed. First, boil about 2 to 3 cups of water. Next, cut fresh ginger into thin slices, about 7-8 slices, and add them to the boiling water. Simmer for about 10 minutes to allow the ginger and boiling water to release the active ingredients in the ginger. After boiling for about 10 minutes, turn off the stove to let the water cool down. Prepare a foot bath. Pour the ginger water into a foot bath or small bathtub to soak your feet comfortably. Make sure the water is warm enough to relax but not too hot to cause discomfort. Soak your feet in the ginger water and relax for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will feel your muscles relax and the tension in your feet and legs will begin to melt away. After soaking your feet, gently dry them with a towel and take some time to rest. Let your body absorb the soothing effects before going to bed. You may wonder, why is ginger so effective in helping you sleep well? The answer lies in its natural anti-inflammatory properties and ability to promote blood circulation. When you soak your feet in ginger water, the warmth of the water will help dilate blood vessels, improving the flow of oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. This is especially helpful for older adults who often experience poor circulation or conditions like arthritis, which can cause stiffness and pain. Additionally, ginger contains gingerol, a powerful compound that reduces inflammation and relieves muscle aches. By reducing inflammation and improving circulation, ginger is a gentle, natural way to ease the discomfort that keeps you up at night. This simple exercise not only soothes your feet, but also relaxes your entire body, signaling that it's time to rest. For many seniors, a relaxed and comfortable body is the first step toward a good night's sleep. Consider the story of Dr. Andrew Weil, a renowned integrative medicine expert who often emphasizes the importance of natural approaches to improving sleep. In his work, he recommends techniques like foot soaks to reduce stress, while also emphasizing the importance of relaxation to improve sleep quality. He points out that something as simple as soaking your feet in ginger water can significantly reduce the physical and mental barriers to a good night's sleep. Now that you know how soaking your feet in ginger water can help your body prepare for a better night's sleep, let's explore another method that is equally effective: enjoying a warm cup of ginger tea before bed. Ginger tea is not only soothing, but also relaxing and aids digestion, creating the perfect conditions for deep, uninterrupted sleep. Let's take a closer look at how to use ginger tea to quickly fall asleep and sleep better in the next section. Making ginger tea is simple but brings many benefits. Here's how to make the perfect cup of ginger tea. First, take 2-3 slices of fresh ginger. The fresher the better, as fresh ginger will ensure the highest effectiveness of the beneficial compounds. Next, boil about 1 cup of water. When the water boils, add the sliced ginger. Simmer the ginger for 5-7 minutes. This step helps the active ingredients in the ginger to infuse into the water, releasing the natural essential oils. After boiling, strain the ginger from the water. You can add a little honey, rock sugar, or lemon to enhance the flavor if you like. Drink the tea while it's still warm, helping the body relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Why does ginger tea have a positive effect on sleep? First, ginger contains gingerol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties help reduce inflammation, ease muscle tension, and aid digestion, all of which contribute to a relaxing mind and body before bed. Ginger also improves blood circulation, which can help alleviate the discomfort that often keeps people up at night. Poor blood circulation is a common problem for many seniors. Drinking ginger tea can help stimulate blood flow, promoting a feeling of relaxation and well-being. But perhaps the most important benefit of ginger tea is its ability to reduce anxiety. Ginger acts as a natural sedative, promoting relaxation by calming the nervous system. Dr. Andrew Weil, a renowned integrative medicine expert, often recommends ginger for its calming effects, especially for seniors struggling with anxiety or insomnia. Let's take a look at the story of Marie, a 63-year-old woman who has struggled with insomnia for years. Every night, her mind was racing with worries about her health, family, and finances. Marie decided to try drinking ginger tea before bed, and after just a few weeks, she noticed a significant improvement in her ability to fall asleep. Her digestive issues also improved, and she felt more rested at night. Marie's experience illustrates how something as simple as ginger tea can work wonders in improving the quality of her sleep. Now that you know how ginger tea can help relax your mind and improve digestion, let's explore another great soothing method: a gentle ginger oil massage. Not only does this relieve stress, it also relaxes the body, paving the way for a good night's sleep. Let's find out how to incorporate ginger oil massage into your nightly routine for a better night's sleep in the next section. As we age, muscle tension and body aches become more common. For seniors, these physical discomforts can make it difficult to relax and fall asleep. But did you know that ginger oil can be a powerful tool to help? By massaging ginger oil into areas of your body that are tense or sore, you can reduce muscle stiffness and promote relaxation, helping your body get a deep, restful sleep. Using ginger oil is simple and effective. Here are step-by-step instructions to get the most out of this relaxing massage. 1. Choose the right oil. You can buy pre-made ginger oil or make your own by soaking ginger root in a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Next, take a few drops of the oil and gently apply it to areas where you feel the most tension, such as your neck, shoulders, and lower back. These are common areas of concern for seniors. Using your fingertips, massage the ginger essential oil into your skin in gentle circular motions. Spend a few minutes on each area until the oil is fully absorbed. After massaging, let your body relax completely. Take a few deep breaths and let the gentle warmth of the ginger essential oil penetrate your muscles. This helps relieve tension and prepares your body for sleep. But what makes ginger oil so effective? The secret lies in its warming properties. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, which has a warming effect. When ginger oil is applied to the skin, it increases blood flow to the affected area. This increased blood flow helps relieve pain and stiffness in the muscles, allowing them to relax more quickly. The warmth of ginger oil also promotes the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, which can reduce discomfort and promote relaxation. Dr. Andrew Weil, a respected integrative medicine expert, often emphasizes the importance of using natural remedies like ginger oil to relieve muscle pain and reduce stress. His research shows that gentle self-care therapies such as relaxation massage can significantly improve sleep quality, especially for older adults. Consider the case of John, a 68-year-old man who has struggled with chronic back pain for years. The pain often kept him awake at night. After learning about the benefits of ginger oil massage, John began incorporating it into his bedtime routine. Within just a few weeks, he noticed his back pain lessening and he began to fall asleep faster. The soothing effects of the massage helped him relax, and he found himself waking up feeling more refreshed. Today, we're going to look at how ginger can significantly improve sleep for older adults. Simple methods such as ginger foot baths, ginger tea, and ginger oil massage help to relax, relieve pain, and improve sleep quality, leaving you feeling refreshed every morning. But the benefits of ginger go beyond sleep. It also aids digestion, reduces stress and muscle pain, improves overall health and mental clarity. I encourage you to try incorporating these methods into your daily routine. Do you notice a difference after a relaxing ginger foot bath or a cup of warm tea? Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and continue to follow Wisdom of Senior Life for more tips on living well. Wishing you health, peace, and happiness on your journey.